Okay, children. So next seventh problem. Okay. So here two angles are complementary. So as we know, the complementary angles, what is children? The sum of two angles is equal to 180. So first angle x, if you take second angle y, x plus y 90. So then the angles are called complementary. Now the larger angle is 3 less than twice the measure of the smaller angle. 3 less twice. If you take small angle y, 2y minus 3 is equal to x. This is the condition. Conditions are important. So find the measure of each angle. Okay, children. So here two angles are there. Right. So what is? Let the larger angle be x. Let the smaller angle be y. Okay? Then the first condition is the larger angle is the larger angle is 3 degrees less than twice the smaller angle. Right, so according to condition, the larger angle x is equal to 3 degrees less minus twice the smaller angle y into 2y minus 3. This is equation number 1. Next, so the next condition is the given angles are complementary angles. The given angles are complementary angles. Okay? So according to this, x plus y is equal to 90 degrees. Equation number 2. X value, substitute in equation number 2. So equation number x plus y is equal to 90. Then x value 2y minus 3 plus y is equal to 90. Then 2y plus y, 3y minus 3 is equal to 90. Then 3y is equal to 90 plus 3. Then 3y is equal to 93. Then y is equal to 93 by 3. 3 3s are 3 1s are. Then y value 31 degrees. Then y value substitute in equation number 1. What is the first equation? Then x is equal to 2y minus 3. Then x is equal to 2 into y value how much? 31 minus 3. So now 31 into 2, 62 minus 3. Then 59 degrees. Okay, children? Therefore, the larger angle is equal to how much? 59. The smaller angle is 31. If you have any doubt, 31 twos are means twice, no? 62 subtract 3, 59 is larger than 59 only, no? X value? Yes. So this is children how to find out problem. Then next we'll discuss eighth one. Eighth one. A dictionary has a total of 1382 pages. In the dictionary, total pages 1382. Next one. The second part of the book has 64 pages more than the first part. First part, how much we don't know. But in the second part, 64 pages add to the first part, you will get second one. So, how many pages are in each part of the book? Is it children? So, here, eighth one, solution. Let the first part be X pages. Let the second part be Y pages. The first condition is, what is? The total pages. Are 1382. Yes, children? So according to this, X plus Y is equal to 1382. Equation number 1. Because I will value in the second equation directly you will get, so that's why I am not finding in this. So the condition is the second part of the book, the second part of the book has 64 pages more than the first part. So according to this, the second part we are taking Y is equal to the first part we are taking as X, then 64 pages extra. Then this is equation number 2. Then Y value, substitute in equation number 1. So what is the first equation? X plus Y is equal to 1382. Then Y value X plus 64. X plus, again Y is nothing but X plus 64. 1382. 2x plus 64 is equal to 1382. Then 2x is equal to 1382 minus 64. Then 2x is equal to 1382 minus 64. So how much? Then 12. 12 minus 4, 8. 7 here. 7 minus 6, 1. So here, then 13. 13, 18. Then x is equal to 13, 18 by 2. 2 ones are 2 sixes are. Then 2 fives are, 2 nines are. x is equal to 659 pages. Then x value, substitute in equation number 2. So here, y is equal to x plus 64. Then y is equal to x value 659 plus 64. Then y is equal to 9 plus 4 13, 5 plus 6 11, 11 plus 1 12, then 6 plus 1 7, 723. Okay? So therefore, if you have any doubt, so the first part is 659, second part is 723. So here 12, 5, 3, 8, then 13. Got it now? So therefore, number of pages in first part, how much? X value 659 pages. Then number of pages in second part, 723 pages. Okay, children? So this is about 8th one. So remaining we will discuss in the next class.